Cumulus clouds, Faith, but I couldn't really tell from that view. I'd have to go outside and check myself. But good morning, everyone. It is a mild start. We're going to have a little bit of rain maybe later on along the Mississippi River with some afternoon thunder showers. We are now north or south of a warm front that has moved to the north, and temperatures have really been on the increase, as well as that humidity. We had a cool weekend and a little cool snap, but that is now over. Temperatures currently in the upper 60s, 72 already in Clarksdale, jumping on up there from Meridian to Monroe all the way to Shreveport along I-20, typically right at 70 degrees, a little bit cooler into the Little Rock metro area, only at 58. But overall, it's a mild start for the Mississippi Delta and southeastern Arkansas. Temperatures here in Greenville at 68, humidity nearly 80%. As for Greenwood, also at 68 with light winds out of the south. Taking a look at the water vapor and satellite imagery, not a ton going on here across Mississippi, some clouds streaming in, but we are going to have those showers mainly off to our north. But later on in the afternoon, we're going to have some development, and we're also watching the potential for our first named tropical storm of the year. Now, this is going to be off the coast of the Atlantic, not going to affect us, but I figured it's worth talking about. Probably going to be just north of the Bahamas, and in the next 5 days, we are tracking the potential for maybe a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Not looking like it's going to get up to hurricane strength, but it is going to move out into the Atlantic. So not really going to affect any land masses, and of course going to stay out of the Gulf of Mexico, which is great news for us. We don't have anything to worry about, but we are going to be tracking the potential for a few afternoon thunder showers a little bit later on, especially between about 1 and 6. Notice this starting to develop as we get that daytime heating. Some of those towering cumulus clouds may reach high enough to bring us some brief heavy rain, and these are going to be moving pretty quickly. So anyone who does see rain, it's going to be quick, and then you'll start to see those moving out. And by this evening, any rain showers are going to diminish during the overnight hours as we lose that daytime heating, but it is going to be quite mild during the overnight. Temperatures remaining in the mid to upper 60s all night long. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, a warm start, winds continuing out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour at times. And then by tomorrow afternoon, very similar to what we'll see today, some more showers and thunderstorms developing during the afternoon hours as temperatures reach into the 80s. And that's really going to be the trend as we go into the next several days. Now for the Yazoo River, currently at 25.8 feet, well below flood stage level, not really going to change that much through Monday. As for the Mississippi River here at Greenville, currently reading 45.6 feet, looking to drop another foot or two heading into Monday, which is always a good trend heading into the middle of May. As for today, highs of 82, a very warm day, humidity on the increase, mostly cloudy skies with a few isolated PM thunder showers. Today we're going to top out in the 80s just about across the entire region, and tonight falling just about 15 degrees into the mid 60s. So it's going to be a partly cloudy and mild night, winds continuing out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we're going to warm up nicely into the mid 80s and partly cloudy yet again, humid. It's going to be very humid the next couple of days, feeling like summer out there with another chance of some isolated PM thunder showers. As for tomorrow, highs generally going to range anywhere from the mid to maybe even upper 80s, topping out at 86 in Hollandale, 85 in Carrollton, 85 in Charleston, and 85 in Clarksdale. So turning the heat up a couple of notches tomorrow and really through the weekend as temperatures continue to rise a couple of degrees each day with the chance of afternoon thunder showers through this weekend. And that's going to do it for your morning weather.